It's in terms of the index is not doing so well. We have stock-specific action. Avalon Tech, for instance, it is in focus on the back of Q2 numbers. Upasana is joining in with the details. The stock is up at 12%. How did the numbers look, Upasana?
Well, Sonal, company has reported a strong set of numbers this time around, and the numbers were up. All the three, that is revenue, EBITDA margin and PAT, beats the street estimates. Now, domestic revenue growth is expected to drive sales of the company, and in the domestic business, mind you that the company has expanded into new areas such as solar and servers. Now, coming to the numbers first, the revenue stood at 275 crores with an uptick of 37% on a YoY basis, and EBITDA margin also expanded by 470 basis points at 10.9%, while the street was working with a number close to around 6.5%. Now, PAT stood around 17 crore with an uptick of 1.4 times, and order book also showed a growth of 19.4% on a YoY basis. Now, company has highlighted that it has started operations of a new plant mainly for the export, and company stands out as a EMS landscape as the only player with a significant manufacturing presence in the US markets. Now, let us understand what is happening in the company. Now, the company is on its recovery path for its US business, along with continued growth in its domestic operations. Mind you, in FY24, company's revenue was down about 16% on a YoY basis. This was mainly due to the losses seen in its US business. But now company is taking various strategic initiatives to recover the US business, and it is witnessing a recovery with a shift in stance from destocking to restocking. With this stance, company believes that the order inflow is expected to improve going forward. So all in all, strong set of numbers from Avalon Tech, and we can clearly see the stock surging in trade today.
And maybe there's an element of even Trump coming back to power, focusing on manufacturing. As she pointed out, it's the only EMS company which has a manufacturing presence in the US. So maybe there is that angle to it, apart from the strong numbers. Soni Patna.